Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for KSCRAFT May release. Thank you KSCRAFT for sending me this package. You can find all these die sets at KSCRAFT Aliexpress or KSCRAFT Amazon. All the links will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So first up we have this dress form and it's super duper cute. There's a lot of layering pieces on the dress form and it includes some scissors as well. And here we have a small elephant shaker. It's super duper cute and it includes a baby, the word baby with the shadow piece on it. And I just think it's so super duper cute, this little small elephant shaker. Here we have a birthday ribbon award. I love making ribbon awards, and so I just love the detailing on it, and I think it says birthday. It has the word birthday on it. And yeah, I can't wait to show you some of these. And then this really neat cake slice shaker. I really like it. It shows you the side profile of the slice of the cake and all the layering of the cake. And also they include these creams. And these creams are so cute. I love how they're like puffy looking and whipped. And so you can layer the pieces and they're stitched. And it includes a candle as well. So, and you can make it into a shaker as well. So this is like really cool. And next up we have this loop scalloped bow. I really love making bows, and there's like 3 sizes, a small, medium, large, and they're like so dainty. I really love dainty bows. They really go great with your projects and anything that you're embellishing. It'll look so nice with these bows. Just love the sizes. And here we have birthday sentiments, and the birthday sentiments are: yay, it's your day, sending birthday hugs, cake calories don't count, forever fabulous, party time, still younger than tomorrow. So that's those phrases. And then we have bold birthday words here, and those consist of wishes, party, happy birthday, hooray, and celebrate. And these are nice and big. Sewing words we have here, and the words are handmade, I'm so fancy, I love sewing, so cute, and so in love. And here we have birthday sentiment labels, and we have here enjoy your day, happy birthday, 1 year older, hip hip hooray. And let's see what else is in there. We have best wishes, and then make a wish, it's your day, celebrate, birthday hugs, treat yourself, cheers to you. And I really love how it has these little like stars, and you can just like line them up with these circles. And these are really nice labels for your birthday cards or whatever it may be that you're making. And here we have cap shakers. So neat that you can make them into little shakers, these caps. It's a nice little size, and you can layer the caps as well. And here we have layered cakes, and it includes these sprinkles and some flags here, and the filling for the top, the icing for the cake. And it looks like there's a small size and a large size. And it says yay, happy birthday, like the short form of happy birthday. So yeah, this is really cool. And we have a birthday bag, and I think it says happy birthday. Yes, the word happy birthday. And it's like a 3D bag with the handles, and it's like a really cute handle and a really cute bag. It looks really cute. I'm thinking like you could put like flowers at the top here. and you can put so much goodies inside this bag. And next up we have this necktie gift box, great for Father's Day or, you know, a birthday. And I've never seen the necktie in a gift box. Maybe you can put an actual necktie inside this necktie gift box. That would be really cool, I think. Yeah, so this is the necktie gift box. And here we have a yarn mini album, and it's shaped like a heart. And it includes this heart shaker with some heart bits, shaker bits in there. Or you can even make it look like something stamped inside like this, like a pattern. And yeah, and it's so cute, this yarn mini album. And here we have a sewing machine mini album. It's so adorable, this sewing machine mini album. It's so miniature, this sewing machine, and it's very detailed. I love the stitching around it, and it also includes all these little details such as scissors, and then you have the thumb protector, forgot what you call it, and then this thread, that thing that can help you thread your needle, that assists with threading the needle. And then we have this really cute border that is like doily like, and I really like that. It looks really cool. It's just so very detailed, and I think it's so awesome. And yeah, this is so cool. It's a little nice sewing machine here. And next up is this really neat 3D card with box. And it comes with a bow, I can see here, and some more details. Some scrolls, I think it looks like, with some leaves. And I think this is a really cool box. And here we have a spool mini album, and it also has the word sewing, and we have here sewing, and I'm not really quite sure what this says. Let me see if I can decode it. Sewing notions. Okay, sewing notions. And it's so cute. I love it. Like, it has this little needle, like kind of thing where you can put your needles in with the little tomato kind of thing on top. I think that's so cute. Love this spool mini album. It's so neat, and it includes the hinge here for the album and some buttons and the thumb protector with some of the pins. We see some pins for this little pin placement thing. So cool. And I think these are for things where you can just put it here, like this slot, so you can put like tags or photos or whatever notes you want to put. You can just punch a hole with these. And I think there's 2 of them. So you can punch 2 at the same time, I think. Or it could be like, it has some stitching, so I think it is. All right, and now we see this one is called the Cat Mini Album, which is super cute as well. You can, you know, have the little small caps in this bigger cap, which I think is really cool. And it has this extra layering piece for this visor part of the hat. And finally, we have this mini album, this elephant mini album. It's so adorable. So the smaller one is like smaller size, and then we have a bigger size, and it says little one. So it's really great for a baby album, or like, you know, a toddler's album. And yeah, super duper adorable. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.